Hello learners, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to solve assignment problem. So here in assignment problem, we need to assign one job to one employee. So this is a famous sum taken from J.K. Sharma. Here uh, you have five jobs and five employees. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 employees are there and five jobs, that is A, B, C, D, E. Here, when we are working with assignment problem, there is one assumption that one job should be assigned to one employee. And yes, the assigned job cannot be assigned to other employees. So suppose if I just give one example, if I am assigning this job to A, or you can say A job to first employee, I cannot assign A job to anyone else. Similarly, I cannot assign two jobs to one employee. So this is a very simple basic rule that we will follow. Now we will learn how to solve in Excel. So yes, I have just made a replica of the question. You can see here I have just copied this format. Here I have given the name decision variable. Yes, here most important thing, you have to add two different row and column, that is row sum and column sum. So here I will just show you how to add a row sum. You just have to write sum and select row, enter it, and it's very easy, drag and drop. Similarly, here you have to find column sum. Similarly, drag and drop till required number. You can check it. Okay. Now, most important thing here, you have to see that what is a supply constraint and what is a demand constraint. So in assignment problem, always remember one job, one employee, we have to work with it. So every job should have one supply and every employee would have one demand. And yes, here I have written equal to because it's for notation. And when we just um, enter into our solver, it will help us. Now most important, we will also learn objective function, how to enter objective function. So here you have to write equal to sum product. You have to do sum product of this cost, comma, you have to do sum product of your decision variable, close the parenthesis, just give enter. Now this is our input ready for solver. So now go to data ribbon, go to solver. Yes, always remember set the objective function. So select the cell of our objective function. Okay, our problem is minimization again. So just select minimization. Yes, this is our changing cost. So it's selling the decision cells. Select the decision cells. Yes, here now we need to add the constraint. So I will add the first constraint of row sum. So here all row sum, select it, should be equal to all supply. Okay, so this is my first constraint. Click to second constraint, that is all my column sum again should be equal to demand, that is 1. More important, all this decision variables are binary, that is the answer should be 0 or 1. So select bin, add. Now just check everything is selected, constraints are made. Now you just have to change to simplex LP and just click to solve. Yes, you can see the answer is 23. I have done one small smart work, like when I have started the sum, I have written here answer 23. So it has been tallied from the book. So you can also check the answer is 23. And how it got? So yes, your A job has been assigned to employee 2, your B job has been assigned to employee 1, your C job has been assigned to employee 5, your D job has been assigned to employee 3, and E job have been assigned to employee 1. So every job has been assigned to every employee, no conflict, and yes, the cost is minimum. Now suppose if I want to change the question, I want maximum cost or maximum work. So again here I am just trying to solve. Here I will just change the tab to maximum and I will try to apply solve. You can see the maximum answer is 66. Thank you.